Got a bruise?
Oh, a bruise? How did you do that?
Maps.
At school, I was climbing up something, and the ill bricks, and I squeaked it.
Yeah, you have to be careful with that stuff.
But other people do that. So I have to get to the nurse again.
Matthew.
Put it through?
Both of them? Yeah.
You will.
So, yeah. So we're going to
Ready to be there? Is this spring break this week?
Yeah, it's today.
Oh, that's right. That's so. So you're doing anything special next week?
I think so.
What is the house project for working on? What is Katie going to help you guys do?
Paint our room.
You're going to clean your room? Paint your room? Really? What color? Purple?
Green and white. And it's not going to be vegetable.
Unfortunately, this one is UK, so I guess, but I'm fine with this. So.
We're going to go to a place called the Homestead this next week. It's a new resort. We're going to see if we can find a room for you next week.
You're going this week?
We're going to go down on the 30th and come back on the 3rd. And we're going to see about what rooms we can get for our 50th anniversary next week. It's really a neat place they've got. Let me go there for you.
What?
You can go swimming in it. It's a nice big pool. You know what else they have? You can meet falcons, which are big birds, like
Please stop.
but you have to wear a glove because they have could grab hold of their talons like claws, but you can actually hold them.
Pitcher of water for the table.
Would you like to hold
Here's
them?
some napkins just in case you.
Water? More water? Why do we need more water?
When you get all messy, we can pour it in there.